In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a poll on Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, before we get into it, I want to say that this method works exactly the same whether you're on your PC or whether you're on Discord on your phone. But the first thing you want to do is open up Discord on the device that you're using. So all you want to do is once you are in the chat that you want the poll in, all you have to do is press plus, and then it's going to come up with a lot of different options like upload file, share a clip, create thread, create poll, and use apps. So all you want to do is click the fourth option where it says create a poll. It's going to ask you what question you want, and you can just make it anything you want. So let's just put test here, and then put the answers. And if you want more than 2 answers in the poll, you could obviously just add more, and you can actually add as many as you want. There is no limit. So if you wanted like 10 different answering options, you can do that as well. And if you're ever like, okay, maybe one of them might not be needed anymore, all you have to do is press the little trash can that is next to the answer and it will remove it. From there, you can change the duration. You can go from 1 hour up to 2 weeks, and people will also get reminders in the Discord when it comes time for the poll to close. So like a few hours or even a day before the poll closes, people are going to be reminded that, hey, if you haven't voted in this poll yet, be sure to. So all you want to do is just select how long you want it to be. And if you want it to be something where people can actually select multiple different answers instead of just one, you just press this at the very bottom where it says allow multiple answers, and then just click post. And as you can see, it's right here